For skin clinic and wellness centers, offer virtual consultations that will lead to purchase. This will not apply to all skin clinics, but ideally this is what I suggest, because skin clinics might think that because they don't have they don't have foot traffic, of course, they think that, okay, I will just rest posting something on my Facebook page. Anyway, people will not be going to my store, to my clinic. Yeah, I understand, especially if you are spending money for your Facebook management. I understand that you have to cut costs. However, it's not so much to do for you to update your Facebook page with just like 1 to 2 posts, at least 1 to 2 posts every week, or maybe MWF, just so it will tell Facebook that, okay, this page is still relevant, this page is still active, so I'll give it, I'll increase the edge rank. That's what we call the edge rank. There is the scoring that only Facebook knows. So one factor to increase your edge rank is for you to consistently post on your Facebook, for you to engage with your customers, reply to comments, like. That's what I shared to you on my first vlog. The tag, the comment, the sharing, that matters a lot. And the time or the frequency of your posting, that matters. So I encourage you to continue posting anything that is valuable to your customers. And okay, you can also offer free virtual consultations. So for example, if they will ask, especially if someone has a very sensitive skin, it's not enough for them to watch YouTube videos or to read blogs. It will make them confident to really talk to someone who's really an expert on it, and someone who can really look closely at the problem that they have. So you can have your online consultations or Facebook Live telling them what are the top the tips and tricks that you can do, so that it will help them minimize their skin problems. So that will also lead them, or cue, so this is the sales funnel now. You give them a value, and then it will lead them to a purchase because you already established the trust. Okay, so if you're selling a pedicure set, if you're selling a skincare set or a massage oil set, it will be easier for them to trust you. It will be easier for them to buy from you because they already got a value, or they already got value from your online consultations. Educate your target audience through Facebook. Again, Facebook Live or IGTV or yeah. There is, if you're on Twitter, yeah, you can do Periscope also. Do not stop posting just because your clinic or stores are closed. Consistently post to keep your edge rank among your competitors. If your competitors are sleeping, this is the time for you to dominate the online world. This is a chance for you to dominate. Okay, so post anything, not anything, but post something valuable to your customers. Show a demo of skincare routine using the beauty products. Okay, people will tell me they are not confident being on a camera. I myself is not confident, but I think it just takes practice to do that. But if you're not really confident to be spontaneous to your customers, what you can do is you can record a vlog, and then you can do edits, just so you have a valuable content that you can share to your audience. Consistently upload your disinfection method and sanitation processes. This gives them more confidence to visit your clinic. So it goes the same way with retail stores or with restaurants, because yeah, it gives them more confidence that it's okay to visit this place. This is what I think I saw IV clinic. Grabe, they're all full gears and they're very strict with sanitation. Lesser time. Okay, let me go to the next slide. Limit interaction with a lot of people. Lesser time interacting with their patients. If the procedure would only be like 15 minutes, you really have to stick to 15 minutes. No more chit chat, no more side talks or whatever. you just go there for that purpose. So that's to limit your interaction. Offer cashless transactions. This is the time if for offer cashless transactions. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Saman man, nag-live. Who? Okay, sorry about that. You know, that's how you work in a home setup. Anyway, so offer cashless transactions because people are more keen about they want to minimize the touch points. Is it Saba my head? For cashless transactions, if you have a website, you can turn your ordinary website or information website into an e-commerce. That's the time wherein you can accept payments prior to the appointment, and you can even create a plan for them to that is tailored fit to their needs. Okay, then queue number system. Again, there's no way for them to wait in the waiting area for that long for their turn. So you might want to have that queue number system. Maybe a system wherein if it tells them that they have to go to their appointment is 2:05, they need to be there at 2:05, or maybe it's something that will prompt them that it like 10 to 20 minutes. It will prompt them that your appointment is 2:05. So instead having them wait in the waiting area. Okay, most skin clinics and wellness centers, they have magazines, right? They have magazine racks, and that's what most people do while their nails are being done or whatnot. So replace magazines with LED screen instead. If you want to give them valuable content, or if you want to, entertain them, replace your magazines with LED screen. And at the same time, that's one way for you to promote your services.